If you're selling print on demand and you started on Etsy, you're not alone. For a lot of sellers, Etsy's the first place we launch because it's simple, it has built-in traffic, and well, it works. Here's the problem though. If that's your only sales channel, you're completely dependent on one platform. One algorithm change, one policy update, one unexpected slowdown, and your revenue takes a hit. In 2026, the smarter move isn't starting over, it's expanding. And what most sellers don't realize is that if you're already using Printify to fulfill your Etsy orders, you can launch your own independent store in minutes, not days, using AI. No rebuilding listings, no redesigning everything from scratch, no complicated setup. Yes, you could build a store manually on Shopify, and that's always a solid option, but it requires way more friction, like choosing themes, designing layouts, writing copy, and configuring everything piece by piece. Trust me, I have done it before, and as a former web developer, I've spent way too much time doing that in the past. So if you're not already cross-posting to Amazon through Printify, that is another option that you should probably consider. But today I want to show you the fastest path. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to launch a fully functional print-on-demand store using Everbee Store, powered by AI and directly integrated with Printify. So if you already have products in a Printify store that are posted to Etsy or anywhere else, you can essentially duplicate your income stream with minimal effort. So I'm going to jump on screen and show you exactly how this works step by step, and you'll see how quickly this can come together. I wanted to show you my Etsy shop where I sell custom engraved products, and that is made possible by Printify. Because I have a free Printify account, I can launch products on my shop like this charcuterie board. And not only is it a charcuterie board, but they can add their own customization. So it doesn't have to say Ryan, you can add your name or whatever other message you want. Or how about this cutting board, for instance? How about this pint glass, for instance? Or maybe this coffee cup. Printify's got over 1,000 products in their catalog, not 1,000 engraved products, but they've got over 1,000 products in their catalog. They do offer engraved products. They offer embroidery products. They offer DTG, direct to garment printing products. They offer a very wide variety. And if you're not already on Printify, I'll drop my link so you can get started. But I wanted to make sure I covered that because this is meant to represent all of the products that my customers know and love in my Etsy shop. The reason I share this is because, well, now we're gonna launch a brand new standalone store unrelated to Etsy and really linked only on the back end via Printify because they're fulfilling orders to both shops. The way we do this is through Everbee Store, all right? And it is much easier than you think if you've never seen this. All I need to do, I'm right here on the page where I can essentially prompt it to build a store for me. I wanna show you how easy this is. Launch a store where I sell custom engraved products, like I could say custom engraved kitchen products maybe. And then we could focus exclusively on, you know, the charcuterie board, the cutting boards, and the glasses, just as an example. It doesn't have to be this. You could also tell it to launch your store, not based on the product types, but on the niches that you design in. You can spin it any way that you want. I wanna show you though, in real time, without editing it, that it's gonna spin up an entire store in just minutes. I mentioned that obviously other options exist like Shopify, but they can take days, weeks, months to get perfect, whereas Everbee Store is going to give you a mobile optimized, so responsive, it looks good on desktop, tablet, mobile. They're gonna theme it for us, and they're gonna give us, you know, the ability to customize the color scheme in a single click. I don't know if you guys see that on the left-hand side of the screen, but in one click, I'm applying a whole new color scheme, all right? I've got different font pairings that are basically pre-selected for us, okay? I like that Poppins font. The corner radius, so we can do things like square corners, rounded, even more rounded pills, etc. You know, as a former web developer, this is close to my heart, all right? I know exactly what's going on when I click those buttons. We can go ahead and it can assist us basically in stocking our digital shelves. Over there on the left-hand side, I'm gonna hit create my own later because I don't need to do it right now. I can simply integrate with my Printify account and import my existing products. Now, that was the wizard that I just showed you to launch a new store. I actually already have it done. So I just want to show you how you'd go about doing this though. On the left-hand side, you can expand the navigation and you can go down here to apps, and under apps, you might not see Printify listed by default unless you've already added it. You might need to click App Market on the right-hand side. And here you can see that they've got an integration with Printify right here, probably the most popular. They've got Anywhere POD, they've got Pentane, they've got Shine On, they've got a subscriptions module as well because they do support subscriptions. We're looking at this through the lens of selling print-on-demand products, but you can sell digital products, which you could import. I guess theoretically you'd have to import from Etsy, so that might require actually exporting your Etsy shop and then importing into Everbee Store, but you can also launch like subscriptions for communities and whatnot here as well in Everbee Store. So they continue to expand what's possible, and it's really exciting. You know, by the time you watch this video, depending on when you watch it, there may be more apps and more functionality built in. But when you add the Printify app, which I've already added, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click open, what you'll notice is all of my products that I just showed you a second second ago in Printify have been ported over to my Everbee store. Okay, you see that? All of the products found their way over. And what's cool is you can even hit this fetch all updates button above me and it will do just that. If you change anything in Printify, you can essentially have it just sync with your Everbee store. Now, yeah, I mean, that's one of those weird things. It's like, what should be your home base? Should Everbee Store be your home base? Anyways, that's for you to decide, but I do like that they support that. In one click, you can go ahead and update all your product names or whatever it is that you've done. You can sort by published and by unpublished. So that's something worth noting. Like I've got a bunch of t-shirts here that are not engraved. So they are not published, but it looks like these two, you know, the stone bracelet and the whiskey glass should probably be published. So in a single click here, I'm just going to go ahead and click the publish to store button and then hit publish to confirm. And it's in real time publishing the whiskey glass. Okay. If I go back over here to all products, you can actually see that now up here behind me, it says publish to store, and I can go over here to products and then sort by products. And this is a different view. So we were just in the Printify app. What I just did now is I went to the standard store navigation under products. I clicked products and now I can see all the products that are published through a different lens. I also have the ability over here, if I click the three dots, to duplicate, to archive, to make unavailable, or to publish. You can manually add products using the add product button. Honestly, this is going to be a lot slower than if you just create it in Printify. And the benefit of creating them in Printify is it generates the SKUs, which is not something you need to ever show on the front end, or you don't really even need to see it as a seller. It is for Printify's system so that when it's ordered, they see that SKU, which is like a custom unique ID for that product and that variation. For instance, like the cutting board, it has two different colors. It's got maple and it's got walnut. Well, you might think, oh, it's a cutting board, there's one SKU, but if there's two variations of color, that's two SKUs. Okay, so that's why you have it generate the SKUs, but again, not something you need to stress about. But if you create the products in Printify, it creates the SKUs along with them. You get the automated fulfillment. But just wanted to make sure you knew you can add products here manually. As you can see here by the banner at the bottom of the page, you can connect your Stripe or PayPal account or both to begin processing payments and accepting orders right away. So that's easy. Both of them you can create in a free account. What makes Everbee Store especially special, and I showed you guys that it literally launches the shop for you instantaneously using AI. Okay, you can see here, but it has an entire marketing arm built out. So that means email. To me, email marketing is what I think I'm best at. They also have integrations with like meta ads, for instance, so that you can get maximum tracking. When you drive cold traffic, you can also retarget the traffic that you sent that looked like they might want to buy, but didn't quite make it over the finish line. Of course, retargeting ads are going to be probably your highest converting. So you can go ahead, click email under marketing. And what I really like, guys, and this is stuff that I used to, in my former life, as I jokingly say, as a web developer, spend all my time doing, was making websites functionality, either coding the functionality or more or less, I was a front-end developer, making it intuitive and easy to use. And I think Everbee did a great job doing that because they already have your welcome series built out. So you get a new subscriber on your email list that, by the way, Everbee hosts for you. And they also trigger the email pop-ups for you by default because that's something you should be doing, right? You establish that touch point with your customer and then you have automated marketing to them. Well, your welcome series, I can click right here and show you it's already built out. You've got the welcome, you've got the welcome discount, you've got a review request, you've got the abandoned checkout, the abandoned cart, etc. You've even got like a demo here for Valentine's Day that they built out for you. Okay, and you can see here that you can customize the flows. You can say wait 3 days, wait 4 days, wait 2 weeks, etc. This is not easy to do, by the way. So I really respect them for building this out with Everbee email. And I just wanted to make sure you guys were aware. They've got the order updates sequence right here and it's active by default. Why require somebody who just launched a shop to come in here and turn it on? Why wouldn't it just be on by default? So if I get an order and Printify fulfills it, Everbee Store is automatically sending the updates to my customer, right? I don't need any intervention as the seller who just set up a brand new Everbee Store. It's already done. So we've got the confirmation for physical products, digital products, and the shipment confirmation, which includes tracking details. You can click if you want to see how they did it too. I'm going to hide myself just for a second so you can see that they've got this is just a demo, right? But it's got the product pulled in. It's got the tracking button here that'll take you dynamically to whatever shipping carrier was used so they can get real-time updates. You've also got product pricing and the charge information right there. So that is really cool if you ask me, that's already built out and automatically enabled. They've got the abandoned cart series, the abandoned checkout series. They've got account and support as well, all right, to help people access their accounts. And they've also got subscription emails if you offer a subscription. Again, they're not going to trigger if somebody's not signing up for a subscription, so you don't have to worry about it saying active. This is all built out for us. I love that they did this. It's only making our lives easier. And this is what attracted me to print on demand in the first place. I want to focus on my bottom line. I want to focus on selling. If my goal is to make money, well, you only make money when you're selling. What goes into selling? Well, you could argue that yes, having a website set up, that is required. But here's the thing. What's really making the sales? Is it that I have a website? Because many people have websites that get zero traffic. It's probably that I'm selling products that people are interested in buying that matters most. Using Everbee Store lets me do that with minimal minimal effort. As you can see here, I'm coming back over to the shop. They've triggered the email collection pop-up. I did not have to configure that. It's automatically done for me. Beyond that, we've got the products here. Once you integrate a payment processor like Stripe or PayPal, you can go ahead and start processing these sales right away. They're going to automatically be detected by Printify. They're going to get fulfilled. The automated emails are going to trigger. You're going to get paid out via Stripe. What's not to love, guys? And you can see here that you can add personalization. That's also supported right out of the box by Everbee Store. So if you're interested, make sure to use the link below to launch your store today. And that's it. What did that take? 10 minutes? That's how quickly you can go from having products on one platform to owning your own independent storefront powered by AI. What I like about this approach is you're not reinventing the wheel. You're leveraging work you've already done. If your products are already connected to Printify, you're not rebuilding them. You're simply expanding where they're available for sale. You're occupying more online real estate. In my opinion, this is the natural next step for sellers in 2026. Diversification isn't about complexity anymore. It's about speed and automation. AI handles the structure. Printify handles fulfillment. You focus on getting traffic and building the brand. If you've been meaning to expand beyond one marketplace but kept putting it off because it felt like too much work, this completely removes that excuse. You saw how easy that was. If you want to check out Everbee Store and try it for yourself, I'll link it below. And I'd love to know in the comments, are you currently selling on just one platform or have you already diversified? If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe if you're serious about growing your print-on-demand business in 2026. And I'll see you guys at the next video.